Use a chiffon or georgette half and half sari for this method. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end, on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and leave some length of fabric and tuck on the left waist. Draping the sari over, bring it to the front. Bring the pallu over the left shoulder and make pleats to secure it with a pin. While doing this, keep the first pleat, that is near the neck, straight across the chest and secure an extra pin. Now make pleats in the lower area . And tuck it in center. Use a silk cotton sari for this method. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end, on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same and leave some length of fabric. Bring it towards the front again. Bring the pallu over the left shoulder, keeping it short. Simply crush the fabric and leave it. Draping the sari over. Now make pleats on the front and in the process fold the sari near the left waist. To show the border in an extra pleat, then tuck the pleats in the center. Now arrange the pallu randomly to show the borders of the sari in a pattern and secure it with a pin on the left shoulder.